Okie dokie, folkies. Back here at the beach. What's today? Tuesday. Got all the lines snapped out. Getting this thing stripped here. Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Kirk's down here getting our lines cut up. We gotta wash it, antique it. Going to be a real hot one today. Looking at 91, 92 degrees. Get everything all set and sealed tonight, hopefully, so we can lay this wall in tomorrow sometime. So, here we go. Whoa! This truck's been sitting in the shade for the past 4 hours. I don't know if you can read that. 96. Hotter than hell today. Just like that, we're going again. Boys really set me up nice there, had everything all ready. Pretty much just drive it on, chain it down. Let's go.
Good Wednesday morning, everybody. Out here at World Headquarters. As you guys can see over there, the sky is not looking too great. They're calling for severe thunderstorms today, on and off. So Kirk's off today, Andy's off today, Jason's off today, but it's supposed to rain. Al's coming in. I'm gonna send him up to that stamped sidewalk job, grade a little topsoil, move a little rock. We got a bunker re-rod that we have to unload, so we've got to get that over here. We've got to get this tote emptied out. We're going to use this for a crate for some of our traffic delineators. I am possibly going to run down and pick up some ground protection mats from a place if they still have some in stock. Al's going to probably come back here then once it's raining and organize and clean out a couple of the trucks, and I got to change the oil in the rider and in the power washer, get the braking oil out of those. Floating slab that we set up yesterday, I've got for tomorrow at 8 a.m. Once we get done with that, I've got a driveway we're going to go over and saw cut and get ready to start tearing that out and replacing it. So today's going to be a pretty slow day, a lot of running around, tidying up little things, but try and get done what we can get done with the rain. I really hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have questions, throw them up there for me. So far it's been a pretty good summer, and stay tuned, everybody. It's Thursday afternoon, everybody. So we're gonna pour that floating slab this morning. Ended up raining the entire day. It's about 20 to 4 right now. You guys can see by the sky, the water puddles here. It literally just quit raining about a half hour ago. So today, everybody was off. I ran and got some new ground protection mats that we're gonna try out for jobs. I changed the oil in a couple machines. We got the Red Art engraver going. That thing is engraving some pavers for the showroom. So plan was supposed to be no rain today, ended up raining. Tomorrow is supposed to be beautiful outside. Now they changed that to 80% chance of rain. So we're gonna try and get that floating slab poured if we can. That'll be the plan if we can get it done. If we can't get it done, but we can still work, I've got a driveway that we're gonna saw cut up and get ready to start taking out. If it rains completely, then maybe the day's a total loss. I don't know. It has been a very damp, wet summer. It sucked. So just wanted to give you guys a little update. Not much video today because there was nobody here and we didn't get much done. So stay tuned, everybody. Hopefully Friday's better. I will see you guys then. Good Friday morning, everybody. It is finally not raining outside, although they're saying 80% chance of thunderstorms maybe later in the day. But we're here. We're gonna head over and do that floating slab. Al's off today. It's just gonna be me, Andy, Jason, and Kirk. We've got some cornhole boards we've got to pour. Those will be the last ones for our project at the prison. And then I'm gonna send those guys up to Linwood to finish the wall on that beach job. It's just a little paver stone wall they gotta lay up. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna make some coffee. I'll see you guys at the job.
All right, guys, our mud just got here. 9.5 yards on. They keep changing the weather on me. Now they're calling for 65% chance of thunderstorms. So we're gonna try and get this thing down. I'm gonna send Kirk and Andy to go lay up that wall at the beach. Jason and I are gonna stay here and work on this. Hopefully it goes well and no rain.
Okay guys, we got this one all wiped down once. A little disappointed that the truck wasn't washed out super good, because I don't know if you guys can see or not, but this thing has got fibers in it left over from the last pour. The truck wasn't washed out good, so we're gonna let this tighten up another 20 minutes or so, wipe it down one more time. Got our little headstone base here. That's for a job. We got a couple cornhole boards we poured. Those are the last ones that we needed for the prison job. So those are done. Now we're just gonna wait. Hope the weather keeps holding off. Hit this one more time. Okay everybody, we got this one done. We hit her again. Tomorrow I'll come cut and strip, wash this thing. Called the concrete company and let them know that we had fiber in it. Wasn't supposed to be there. They didn't wash the truck out good, but it is what it is. The homeowner gets free fiber. So this one's a wrap. Andy and Kurt are at that job at the beach laying up that little wall. I'm gonna go check on them. And like I said, we got our headstone base poured here. We got our cornhole boards poured here. Got our pools to pick up tomorrow. Get this wash bucket out of here. And this one will be a wrap till tomorrow. Stay tuned guys. As always, like, share, subscribe. We appreciate it. And I will see you guys out at the wall job at the beach. Okay guys, it's Friday afternoon. Just getting out here to the beach job. And check on these guys. There's nobody here. I see the black dirt is leveled out. Stamp job looks nice. You can see they got the wall laid up here. I'm not quite sure where everyone is and why the wall is not finished. All right guys, back out here at this floating slab job on this wet rainy Saturday morning. Plan is I'm gonna strip and cut this thing, and I'm gonna get these cornhole boards and our headstone thing out of here. So got a little work to do by myself here. This thing turned out real nice, as you guys can see. Got a little rain on it, which is good for it. So I'm gonna get everything stripped, cut, picked up here, and hopefully beat the rest of the rain. They're calling for thunderstorms on and off all day here. The sky is crap, so we're just gonna get done as much as we can, and hope we beat the weather. Stay tuned guys.